Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make advertisement poster on Picsart. I've already opened the Picsart app and then just click on the plus icon and find the template option. Scroll down and click all templates. And here at the templates page, just click on the marketers inspo here. There are a lot of marketing material that you can use as your advertisement poster. So this is the example. For example, you want to maybe advertise your new product, so just find the inspiration here and use the template. For example, I'm going to choose this. For example, this one right here is to advertise your new menu on your restaurant, for example. So I'm going to use this template, but if you want to change the photo, just click on this and then click on replaced and change it using your own photo. So for example, this one. Okay, wait for the picture. Okay, so just like that, you can adjust the picture just like so. Okay, when you're done, just click on the arrow at the top and click on save, and your advertisement poster has been saved into your gallery. It's so easy, right? Okay, so that's it with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon at the bottom and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.